but it's really good that you are able to provide a receipt for your customer. Hi guys, my name is Esli and welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the notification bell. Mostly my contents are unboxing and tutorials, but I also do review some supplements for kids and for adults. By the way, I am a small business owner here in the Philippines. If you're interested in authentic supplements, kindly check my Shopee store and I will put the link on the description box. For today's vlog, I'll show you how to print a GCASH receipt using a Bluetooth thermal printer. I have two ways on how to print it. First is we're gonna download the transaction on our GCASH app. Second is manually creating a receipt through a thermal printer app. This Bluetooth thermal printer is very useful to all those business owners, especially when printing receipts. It doesn't require you to buy an ink, because this printer uses heat to print. You just need the thermal printer roll. By the way, this thermal printer won't work if you are using a normal band paper. There is a designated paper for this kind of thermal printer. I bought it in Shopee a year ago already. I already posted the video before. You may want to check it. I will put the link on the description box. Let's open our GCASH app. Anyway, I am not a GCash Pera outlet agent, but if you're interested to have a sideline, you may consider applying for it. So let's say the customer wants to cash in for 1 peso. Again, this is for tutorial purposes only. Let's input the number and amount. So if the transaction is successful, there's a receipt that will appear. What we're going to do is to download it. Let's open the app of the thermal printer. It's Bluetooth print app. Select the file that we're going to print. Open your Bluetooth and connect it to your thermal printer. The other way is you will create your own GCash receipt using the Bluetooth thermal printer app. You may also want to put a QR code if you want. You may save the template, so you may just edit it every time there's a customer. It will take some time, but it's really good that you are able to provide a receipt for your customer. So that's it for today. I have a lot of videos about printing receipts. I have a variety of videos about thermal printer. You may want to check my channel. And please also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a good one.